In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate PayPal into Wix. To get started, log into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the website you want to connect to PayPal. This is important because payment settings are managed separately for each site, so make sure you're working inside the correct Wix project before continuing. Once you're in the Wix dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click Settings. From there, select Accept Payments. This is where Wix lets you manage the payment providers available for your store, services, or any other checkout experience on your website. Inside the payment area, you'll see the available payment methods. If PayPal doesn't show up right away, click See More Payment Options to expand the list, then find PayPal and click Connect. Wix will then guide you into the setup process. Next, click Connect PayPal account. At this point, you'll be redirected or prompted to sign in to your PayPal account. Go ahead and log in using your PayPal credentials. Be sure you're signing into the correct business or personal account you want to use for collecting payments on your site. After signing in, PayPal will show you a permissions screen. Take a moment to review what Wix is requesting access to. This connection allows Wix to process payments through PayPal on your behalf. So once you're comfortable with the permissions, authorize the connection to continue. When that's done, return to Wix and check that PayPal now appears as an active payment method. This is the confirmation that the integration was successful. If you don't see it listed right away, give the page a moment to refresh and verify that the connection completed properly. Before finishing, review your payment settings. This may include things like your currency and checkout preferences. It's a good idea to make sure these settings match the way you want customers to pay on your site, since even a small mismatch can affect the checkout experience. Once everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. Your Wix site should now be connected to PayPal and ready to accept payments through that method. If you're setting up payments for the first time, it's also a smart idea to do a quick test checkout afterward so you can confirm everything is working as expected from the customer side.